We'll guide you through how to make a link for photos in Google Drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a link to share your photos is super useful. So first of all, head to Drive. So you can come to Google and make sure you're signed in, click on the apps button in the top right and click on Drive and you'll be taken right here. Then what you can do is go over to the left and select My Drive. Then what you want to do is go to the top left and click on New and click on New Folder. I find it easier to organize the photos in a folder, so I'm going to name this Photos Share like so and press Create. Then what you can do is double click on the folder to come into it. And you want to go to the top left and click on New and click on File Upload. Your File Explorer will open, and then what you want to do is go and find the photos you want to do this with. I'm going to go and choose these from my thumbnails here. I'll go and select a few. You can click, hold and drag or hold Control to select the ones you want. They'll then go and start uploading. So what you can do is create a link for individual photos by right-clicking on them and clicking on Share and then pressing Share, or go and click on the folder's name and you can go down, hover over Share and click on Share. You'll go and get the same screen, you're just sharing it differently. I prefer to share the whole folder. Now you can go and add people here. What I prefer to do is go and change this restricted link to anyone with the link. This means anyone who clicks on the link will go and be able to view them. So you press on copy link and you can then send that to who you want to.